Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open the phone app and go straight to voicemail. This gets you into the controls you need. Once there, tap Greeting to see options and choose Custom if you want to record your name only. Make sure your microphone is unobstructed and you speak clearly a few inches from the receiver. Record a short, natural name phrase, then tap Stop and play to verify clarity. If satisfied, save the greeting. This ensures callers hear your chosen voicemail name. You now focus on the recording itself. Press record and say your name naturally, pausing slightly at the end so it doesn't cut off. Once done, tap Stop and immediately play to evaluate volume, background noise, and pronunciation. If it sounds muffled or clipped, re-record until the tone and clarity match your intent. Remember, you can edit by repeating this step. Apple stores the latest saved greeting, so make deliberate choices about phrasing and save the greeting and then test it by calling your number from a different phone so you can hear what callers will hear. If the new name doesn't play, make sure the phone app has microphone permission in settings and that Do Not Disturb or carrier voicemail settings aren't interfering. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and retry. Also check for an iOS update. These steps resolve most issues. If not, contact your carrier, because some networks control voicemail prompts externally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.